you asked and I am providing. So we are looking at some more geometry questions. These ones come straight from my daughter's homework. So we're looking at some geometry questions that she's doing or did do a couple weeks ago in her geometry class. So we're going to take a look at these. So when we're looking at these two angles right here inside of our triangle and the angle outside, this exterior angle, we have a remote exterior angle, which means that these two angles right here add up to equal this one. So what I am going to do is over here, I'm going to put those two angles. So we've got 2x, and we're going to add the 103 minus x degrees, and that is going to equal this degree right here, which is 6x minus 7. So again, 103 minus x from here, add that to the 2x, and together they add up and total this number right here. So we are just going to do a little bit of algebra here in order to solve this. We are going to combine our x's together. 2x and 1x subtracted from that is going to give me just x plus 103, which is equal to 6x minus 7. I am going to choose to move the x over on this side, which will leave me with 103 over here. This is going to be 5x minus 7, and we're going to flip this over to the other side so that the 7s are gone, and that's going to leave me with the 110 degrees, which is equal to 5x. Then we're going to just do our finalized step, which is to divide both sides by that 5. And that will leave me with an x equaling 22. Okay, so that gives me that answer. Now I do need to figure out what the answers are for these. So I'm going to just plug it back into wherever I want to start with first. We'll start here with the 6. 6 times 22, that's going to give me, when we do that, 6 times 22, if I can think, is going to give me 132 minus 7, and that's going to give me 125. So that means that this whole angle is 125 degrees. And then when I look over here, I'm just going to take the 103. I'm going to subtract that number 22 that we got for that answer. That means that this angle right here is going to be 81 degrees. And then over here, we've got 22 times 2, real easy to do. We've got a total of 44. And then I can just quick double check that 44 plus the 81 does add up to what we had, which was over here, 125, and it does. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. Check these out under the geometry section.